Okay, Sam.
Okay. Matt? Yes. Do you like Myra? Yes. Jennifer? Yes. Wait, I gotta fix my hair.
No, he goes like.
No, this is like Matt.
Like
Matt? Yes. What's up, dog? No, what? I got a Melvin. Dude, I want to do this for me too. I know. Oh my god, wait. What if he was like, I don't know, but he's never done. I'm so sorry. Are you for sure? Yeah, I read a shirt yesterday.
Okay, so Matt, do you play baseball?
Yeah, home touch. I mean,
Home touch.
home run. Don't even. Okay,
I don't think so.
okay, ready, Anthony.
It's a spike.
Okay, I'm doing it. Okay. Anthony. Yes. Are you Corvette? No. Are you sure? Yeah. Are you sure? You look like you know what I yes you do. Yes I do know what yes.
You're talking here, okay?
Yes you do. Okay. This is Myra.
Excuse you?
Goodbye.
Bye.
I'm joking.
No,
No, you don't.